The Danfoss Monterrey production facility, known for its high-quality manufacturing of various Danfoss products, is now expanding its capabilities with a new line dedicated to producing GBC ball valves. With this ultra-modern expansion, Danfoss aims to reduce delivery times, lower carbon footprint, and increase production capacity to meet the growing market demand in America. Our advanced manufacturing processes incorporate cutting-edge technologies, such as auto-brazing, laser welding, and helium leak testing. Combined with our highly experienced personnel, these processes ensure consistent performance and reliable, high-quality products, so you can count on-time delivery and products ready to meet the demands of any project. Our extensive ball valve portfolio covers CO2 and A1 to A3 refrigerants. The GBC E49 bar range supports applications requiring constant high temperatures. All GBC valves are compliant with major regulations like PED, UL, and CRN. With high reliability, GBC valves are built for demanding conditions, delivering safe, long-lasting performance and minimal failures.
Today, I'm excited to share some insights into Danfoss' latest advancement, our new GBC ball valve production line in Monterrey, Mexico. GBC ball valves are also known as shut-off valves. The Monterrey production facility is known for its high-quality production of various Danfoss products. We are now expanding the capabilities with a dedicated line for GBC ball valves. Our aim is to reduce delivery time, carbon footprint, and increase production capacity to meet growing America's market demand, following Danfoss' supply chain strategy. We are utilizing advanced manufacturing processes throughout the line, including semi-automatic assembly, laser welding, and helium leak test stations. With this new production line, Danfoss is reaffirming its commitment to innovation, quality, and meeting the evolving needs of our customers.